Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Data Catalog for metadata management, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to your Google Cloud Console. If you don't have a Google Cloud account, create one and set up a project. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access and manage Google Data Catalog. Navigate to the Google Data Catalog section in the console. Click on the Enable API button to activate the Data Catalog API. Once enabled, go to the I am an admin section to manage permissions. Add or create service accounts with the required roles for Data Catalog. Next, head to the Data Catalog landing page. Click on the Create Tag Template button to define your metadata structure. Fill in the template name and description fields for clarity. Choose the appropriate fields you need for your tag, such as text, number, or timestamp. Select the required options for each field and click Create. After your tag template is created, go back to the Data Catalog dashboard. Now it's time to create a connection to your data source. Click on the Connections tab and then the Create Connection button. Choose the data source type that you want to connect. Provide the necessary credentials and configurations for the data source. Once connected, navigate to the Entries section to add your data assets. Click on Create Entry, and select the type of asset you want to register. Fill in the required fields, including the name, description, and asset type. Assign the appropriate tag templates created earlier to your new entry. Save the entry to complete the registration of your data asset. To effectively manage your metadata, utilize the built-in search functionality. Type keywords to quickly locate your entries or tag templates. Explore additional features, such as data lineage and usage metrics, to enhance visibility. Finally, regularly update your metadata to keep it relevant and useful. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Google Data Catalog for metadata management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.